Good luck, Ducks.
All the best to you too. On to you. 7?
I was like, I gotta make sure. Oh, this card.
Blackluster Soldier. Let's see who wins. Blackluster Soldier, the Egyptian god. It's not known for the life of me if this guy's playing.
Go ahead, sir.
Top 2? Top 2 or top 4? Top 4.
Which one did you add? I'm sorry, eyes on that for a second. Say it again? Oh, which one did you add? Eyes on
So I
that.
played this one, grab this,
And this
start
one?
trashing.
Gotcha. Thank you, sir.
You better not lose us to beat me. Alright.
Uh-huh.
Women Rider, your turn.
What does that one do?
Look at the top 4. Grab a Saitama Genos or
Gotcha, okay. Sounds good, yes, sir. This is the guy. Okay, sounds good.
1, 2.
Go.
Switch him to resting. He's not generating 2. I'm going to play Genos at the top 5. I got a Saitama.
Monster System.
This Saitama. It's a 3.
Draw this card. Your turn. No.
Yeah. Oh, so many.
Oh, this card. Go ahead.
1 card in hand.
Yes, sir.
Draw.
Roll for 2. Draw. 15.
Sideline. Goodbye, Turbid the Tornado.
Go.
Down. Down. Saitama, and then activate this Saitama, and then silent. Battle swing 10k.
Next turn. Pop.
Yep. Let's see. Alright, go ahead.
Got damage too.
Where's the
Damage too. Gotcha. Has no impact right now, right?
No impact.
I think we will take that. Add the hand. Nothing.
I will put this to the bottom.
Gotcha, there's 10.
Use that.
Tornado. Wizard.
They want
We'll
draw.
draw.
We'll move. Mill 2. Top check. Mill.
Who's that? 4K?
Yeah, they're both at 4K because Saitama is 1K.
3K. 3K.
Top.
Yes, sir.
Active.
15. 2K.
And then you got me.
Anything.
What color? One of the Sonics.
Gotcha. Sounds good. Go ahead. It stays rested?
Yep. Stays first.
Yes, sir.
Draw.
Pretty good. It's only the top 7.
Yes, sir.
Push.
Here to play Saitama.
What did you have any energy last turn?
Sorry.
What did you have any energy?
So
Oh, because you had the king.
King.
Cool, cool. Sounds good. Thank you, sir.
yeah.
We'll play Genos. Top 5. And a Saitama. And then activate Saitama. We're gonna enter the battle, swing 10K.
I just got that.
4K.
Activate nothing.
4K.
Nothing.
10K.
Top. Trash.
Oh, and this is okay.
Ready? And battle. 4K?
Is this the same card?
No. 4K no impact.
Oh, Saitama is. Okay. Gotcha.
Finalize. Blizzard Dungeon.
Get this real quick, sir. 4K, right?
Yeah. Okay, impact.
Nothing.
Onto you. we at?
I'm at 13, so 45.
13.
Man, they really, really need
45
to
impact?
in this deck to not let you play hero on it.
Swap.
That card alone is what makes
45
this deck
impact?
Swap.
so
3K?
Bottom 40.
3K?
Up.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Go ahead.
Go. Two cards in there?
Yes, sir.
Incineration?
Just when you have a Genos or Saitama?
Sorry?
What's the condition?
Genos.
Genos? Cool, cool. Thank you.
Ready?
Gotcha.
in this card.
One card in hand. Damage
Yeah,
2.
it's another effect to when played.
4K, no impact.
It's 4K with impact.
Yeah. Okay. Active?
Yep.
On field.
You can't. It's a hard one to prevent. Both her and the Terrible Tornado are both hard ones to prevent.
I could ask, but I'm pretty sure it's you can send it to you. It's not the word like
I actually like the idea of having speed,
I'm pretty sure they had a go in this, but it didn't say on the card. We'll ask after. Go ahead.
but you can't use the removal area, right? If you want to get that. I mean, you can. You
Yeah,
can.
yeah, yeah.
You can.
if I really needed to.
Black 4. Black 4. Nothing.
Fine.
I can't see all of them
Draw.
over here because of this.
Extra draw.
You have one in hand?
One card in hand.
Saitama. Effect. And this Saitama.
Yes, impact.
Damage 2, impact 1. Enter battle, swing 10k, damage 2, impact 1.
Yeah, go ahead. Thanks, sir.
Turn.
Block die, take one. Have to block all of this. Dice. Have to keep one die. I hope you're fine on here. One quick second, sorry guys.
I mean, if you get a final, that's insane.
might be the only way I win it. And then go through it with 2 chances at the final. Don't. You swing, block. You swing, I block. That's my 1-0. 3 blockers, 3 life.
Okay. But I mean, you're gonna have 5 action sticks if you have to restand.
After attack, restand. After hand? Yep. Attack. Nothing. Go ahead.
Oh, we didn't.
Draw.
We didn't. He's not like this.
What was the first trigger? I skipped something out. I'm so sorry. Sorry? What was the first trigger?
Final?
Was it a draw trigger?
No,
It was a
special.
get trigger. Get trigger. Which
Play it out. You got the win.
Gotcha.
You want
Thank you,
play
sir.
it out?
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
No, you're good.
So if I take 1,
Yeah.
why block that? Oh,
Yeah.
luckily it was a color trigger. That would have changed it and blocked that.
Yeah, force that. Yep. And then sometimes, man, you gotta play it safe. Sometimes you gotta take a risk. Then we'll swing 4K.
And I'll block that. Or and that one will be blocked with this.
Yep. And you go ahead.
Turning out with a color that's pretty nice. That would have been nice.
AP draw? Yes, sir.
Go ahead and play.
I just gotta hope I get the card.
Yeah, you will now.
Yeah, I don't care about the glory. I just want the card.
Top 4.
Saitama? Yes, sir.
Oh, I have to be flipping.
And then I assume you use hero to immediately go back out. Oh. And then play it to play hero for free, so you go all the way back up to 3. And you get an impact, which is crazy. Damn, bro just started his turn. Add back the hero again. Bro's like, I want to extend out my turn as much as possible.
I'm at the loss of 2 right now.
Oh, gotcha.
So this is for that.
The Terrorbible Tornado.
Oh, that's
Yeah, that's not a. That's.
that's 4. I'm at 4.
Wait, there's a way you can play this. Use her. Yo, you only have 2 cards in it.
Yeah, I have to
Oh, I was
discard.
about to be like, don't you add 2 off Esper Sisters, or was this not 2?
I didn't get to.
Oh, if you had, you would have been able to.
Yeah.
You know, hit me with the
Bump it up. Keep
Saitama.
Giving Saitama impact. Impact damage 2.
But you lose the Saitama.
I have no choice.
Okay. Honestly, it would have been better off to just play the Tornado and then pass. So you have 2 impact. Guaranteed.
Impact.
Block impact nully effect restand. Block. Block. Draw. Extra draw.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
We're gonna play 1 punch to give him.
Yeah.
And then we are going to activate Incineration Cannon just to kill her because I don't like her. And then we're gonna enter battle, swing 10k impact damage to 1 punch. Yeah. Good game, man. Let's see, I had King, other Saitama, King. Ah, my cards.
Yep, select. No target.
Yes, sir.
Damage 2. Block. Impact 1. Yep. No target. Oh, yes.